Hello guys, before this video starts, I just want to say that this is the first ever EAS scenario not about planet collisions, moon collisions, or star collisions. It's a scenario about a mysterious creature that has been talked about lots of years. And I think you probably know what this is. So, enjoy watching. Also, it's told to be in Scotland, so you'll figure out what it is. Anyways, without further ado, enjoy watching.
The following message has been given authorization at Her Majesty's Government and the SCP Foundation. This is not test. To repeat, this is not test. At 9:41 p.m. Eastern Mountain Time, the SCP Foundation has made a shocking discovery. The creature we thought was fake, and was actual real. The creature's name was called the Loch Ness Monster, also known as Nees, has been spotted in the Loch Ness in Scotland. It has been spotted swallowing the person whole, because of its massive size. Do not attempt to try to take a picture of it, as it hates cameras. It would swallow you before you even take the picture. Don't go to the Loch Ness, as the Loch Ness Monster is just waiting for food, just standing there, looking for prey. Even on land, it would use its giant fin to send you away, flying in the sky. Do not attempt to provoke it, as provoking it will anger it to his core, and send it to a monstrous rage. When you get eaten, you will be inside the stomach of the Loch Ness Monster. Breaking out is impossible. Stay away from the loch. If you read a 100-mile radius of the loch, shelter in place is evident. This is the end of the safety guidelines. Goodbye. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming may now resume.
Quick note before the video ends. I just want to say that this is my first ever EAS scenario without a siren, and this is the first ever EAS scenario I made about the UK, because Scotland is in the UK, so why not just put the UK in this scenario, just like my last EAS scenario with the twin moon collision with the Canadian scenario. I will still making American scenarios in the upcoming future, so stay tuned for that. Also, you might be wondering to yourself, why did you make a scenario about an urban legend? You know that is just a myth, a rumor. Well, first of all, shut up, little bro. Second of all, it kinda has been a myth, and it's also kind of a rumor. I hope nobody starts any protests of the Loch Ness Monster being a rumor. If it does, then I will just not care. I will just not care. Yeah, I won't give a crap. Also, I know my statement on the EAS scenario twin moons collision is literally longer than the broadcast itself. I just wanted to talk a little bit, but I don't know what to say. So, I hope this is not longer than the broadcast too. Bye now. Bye for now. Bye everyone.